Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like cancel this 2 by 2 is equal to 40 divided by 4. Now 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis. Then second priority is exponents. Then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this equation, here is a one division and here is one multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So is equal to 40. Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep this 40 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction. 4 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Then multiply 2. Okay. Now, 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. So now the expression become 10 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay. Now here is multiplication, here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 10 multiplied 2 is equal to 20 multiply 2. Now 20 multiplied 2 is equal to 40. Okay, so the correct answer is 40. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.